Toadstool!
Is that the,
Look at it.
Is that the surprise you told me? Jake! Oh,
Look at
Jake!
Jake, this is amazing. Look at the cup holders.
Jake!
There's no way you did this, Jake. God, this is just gorgeous.
Is this the little boat?
What do you think, Pete?
God.
Look underneath.
Oh.
It says rubbish.
Jake, how did you think of that? Oh, God, that's a classic.
God, I cannot believe how
Hey.
nice you got that.
It's unbelievable. I cannot believe, I
Look
cannot
how nice it is.
believe
Look
it.
at 58 press line.
It's unbelievable.
What?
How are you?
Who are you?
Peter.
Sure. Who are you?
Who are you?
Rummel.
Oh, Chris!
Not Rob!
God! How are you doing, brother?
Good.
God, look what
God,
Jake did to
Rob.
Rob's
I
phone.
know, I just packed it in here.
Rob,
for
I
you.
haven't seen you. You look damn good.
So do you guys.
You look
You
good.
guys, what, about 37 like me? Yeah, I'm
Hey,
39. I'm a little older than you.
I got a piss. We just drove from Portland. Fuck it, I'm pissing right here.
Hey,
God, there's
kids,
no
there's
parking
kids.
here. What are all these other people
You
doing?
can't?
I wouldn't.
You got to go clear over there.
It's just right there.
I guess we don't want to.
Jake, I can't believe that turned out
You
that
look
nice.
good, bro. Where you living? Hey,
Ah, look what Jake did.
I know. Look at those wheels and shit. Jake, you spent your entire life doing this.
Awesome. All right, let me. Cathy, my wife's star, and Hardcore, and we got a pile of beer, and burgers, all the usual.
I cannot believe you got this looking this nice.
So, Mr. Allen, what the heck? It's been a long time.
It has been. I missed the last couple things that you attended.
Oh, like the epic?
The epic, yeah.
Yeah, I was a star in that one.
Yeah, that's what I understand. Nobody took the stardom from Jake, though.
Oh, he was kind of backseat the whole time. You know, that was kind of he knew his presence. He knew.
Yeah.
This is
No, but I this was supposed to be a surprise for me, too, but I was at his house, and then I saw that piece and those pieces, and I go, oh, what's this for? And he goes, oh.
Yeah.
I should have hid that shit.
Yeah, we're seeing your brother every once in a while, younger one.
Clay should be here. Clay will be here, and Zach might be here. And actually, my son Taylor, he's 31 now.
Well, I got him 30.
And my wife and daughter, my daughter will be 20 here.
Yeah, anyway. Oh, I got a 31-year-old and a she lives down in L.A.
Where are you living?
Salem.
Are you?
Yeah. Oh, we've been back for a while.
You brought his boat?